Actually, marami na akong nasabi sa kanya. Pero, gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm so proud that you did Caroline justice. And I know you went through a lot during this series.
Or series.
Or series.
Or Sherry. Oh yeah, or Sherry.
But you still remain true to who you are, and you remain hardworking. You made sure na hindi mawawala yung rason kung bakit mo ginagawa to. And I see like how many sleepless nights we've had, and how much has happened also in the set that make us so tired, and even emotionally, yung mga eksena natin, minsan di natin alam kung paano akalas, pero nagawa mo. And 9 months, hindi biro yun, kaya saludo ako sa'yo, and sobrang proud ako sa'yo, and alam mo naman, dito lang ako.
It's been a journey, and thank you. I'm so happy to be working with you on this.
And I can't wait for more.
For more, yes. More.